Alright, another round. This one's going up tonight, midnight, so that'll be the 30th. So if you're listening to this on the day that it came out, well, thank you very much. Live on kick.com/JSY. Facebook too, simultaneously, so you may find me there. And I'm just recording something really quick just to throw it up there. That way I don't gotta worry about nothing until tomorrow right there. And also, if you're listening to this, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I know I sure had a pretty decent one right there. Sitting in this chair, the chair of infinite thoughts. And then after tomorrow, the 1st of December, that'll either be another Armor Warfare video or Tour Rally 2.0. I'm gonna try to make it Tour Rally 2.0. But otherwise, probably just another casual PVE match over here. Sometimes they're live commentary, sometimes they're just gameplay. It's probably about 50-50, 50-50 right there.